They're shooting me out here.
One down.
Fuck's sake.
What?
Yes, push, quick. Get run and get me cold, swear to God. Fuck. Alright. Let's go.
Let's go!
Did you mark that bush?
No, I didn't. You did.
Oh, he's a sweaty tower wanker.
I love it. Landing top.
Yeah, I like top of you.
Oh, he switched it up. What's happening? What's happening? I'm dropping in on you. He's not marking satchels. Oh, I got fuck all. The loot in this place is dog, innit?
I hear someone. I think.
Have we got a spare gun or what?
That. There, look, bush. In 9-1.
Fuck's sake.
Did you don't like that piece of show you up? Will we go in here?
Yeah.
Yeah, not good.
I wonder if you can just kill everyone before the end of the circle, like, so they're like really early, if you know what I mean? People there, Flood?
Nice push.
People in the air?
Oh yeah. He's weak push.
He's not.
I'm
Guns,
fucking weak, I'm up there.
the guns glitch out when you shoot people in the air on this.
Give us 2k bush, I'll go get a solo now. Fuck it, not waiting anymore. I'll go back to the shop.
Oh the fuck, man.
Coming. Bush, try to look back at me here, I'll have a loadout, I'm gonna throw.
Oh yeah, on the floor.
Yeah, I'm gonna throw up top now with you, right?
Try that.
Say I'm not a good mate, I'm not going and getting out there, for fucking ages.
Mate, I fucking can't shoot people out of the air with this thunder or whatever it is.
Oh, I fucking will though. Can't see him to protect him.
No.
There, bush.
Yeah. Someone else killed him? Someone else shot him in the back.
Yeah, you got shot by someone else. Man, there's like fucking 10 loadouts over there, you seen that?
He's getting pushed, is he?
Over there, bush. Broke him. Hit him.
Yeah,
Finished him there, okay.
right there.
Oh putain, il avait un droit tout.
so much better with a loader, isn't it? My lord.
Guy dropping in.
Gas mask here, bush.
Got one.
Hit him, I hit him.
Nice.
Got him.
Oh, you got suppressor. I was gonna say, what gun are you using?
Oh, it's so much better. Jesus.
Just like,
Honestly. This is the extra damage one and all now, I think. Oh no, it's not. Still haven't got that. Bush, end of the building. End of our building, Bush.
oh,
Watch out.
mate, you should have seen that shot.
Yeah, Bush, watch here. Orange.
Where is he? Below or orange? Alright.
Yeah, over top.
I'll go right.
Oh, he has me. What? Oh, Bush had me quick. He's coming for me, he's coming for me.
Where is he? Where
Spray him,
oh,
spray him.
I see
He's
him.
on me, he's on me. Oh. Fuck's sake.
Teammates up here.
Self and then finish your man. Yeah, he's coming for you, the other lads, so finish him quick. Oh, you pussy.
Better to survive, bro.
Yeah, true. At least you're well out now. Mine's gone. Plate up and blank under there for a bit. You're not plating up, you mad cunt. I need to land on that roof.
Me and Green can head up.
Full team still up here.
Whereabouts? On you.
Right below me. Yeah, no, they're on the roof. They shoot me out here.
One down.
Fuck sake.
What?
Yes, push, quick. Get running, get me cunts, what a gas. No, he's not. Do you know what I could do? I could actually go for that loadout, couldn't I?
Nah.
Tank a bit of gas now. I got a gas mask.
You should do that.
He's up here. There's a lad up here.
Where?
I got shot.
Is that there somewhere, is he?
He's one shot.
Pushing. Found him. He jumped off.
Gonna finish him because my dick is.
He died.
Oh man, that gas plane was dirty. He had no idea it was there. He's pissed. Yeah.
What do we do? Wait here.
Don't know, man. I might just jump off here to the right a bit. Bush, there's a team here in this building. Yeah, there's a team here in this building beside us. Well, I don't need to move. I'm staying here. There it is there, Bush. He's got a riot shield, you dirty sweat. Lad with a riot shield here, Bush.
What are we gonna do about him, bro?
Fucking rude.
One on blue as well. Down on blue.
There's his mate there. There's two.
Where's the other one?
I don't know if there's two or not now. Wish we could up here in this building. We're still in zone.
Yeah.
Oh, I can refill ammo here. Just watch them roofs over to our left. They can fucking snipe the tits out of us.
I'm down. He's down in there.
With the shielder. Right. Oh, you got the shielder as well? Nice, man. This gun's filthy.
It is actually, man. Oh, this gun. I think if it's done up, it'll be brutal.
Oh my lord, full team bouncing around the place.
Are you getting something else?
One's dead.
Yeah, finished
One's in
it.
that tent, didn't he?
One's going right on us though.
Yeah, one's in that tent too. Two.
I'll watch left side of the tent.
He's spraying him out of it there.
There's one on the wall though, is there somewhere?
Oh yeah, there's one there. Yeah, watch out for that lad at blue. 2 teams, 3v1, lads. The last lad's there. Orange.
Yeah, seen.
Last person. He's full. Oh, here, don't.
Sweaty.
Nice. GG.
Sweaty.
You were there pinging lads with it. It's like the SPR, bullet velocity, like it's not as overpowering as it was, but you know, it's a bit better.